if you write like this in the next year mains examination, let me tell you, no force on earth can stop you from topping the civil services examination next year. Guys, welcome to day 41 of the 180 days mains challenge, where we are covering UPSC GS main syllabus. Every day I'm giving you one target. First, you have to read the mains master notes, go through the mains master cards and the diagrams, and then you had to attempt the PYQ. So today's PYQ is this, guys: discuss the recent measures initiated in disaster management by Government of India departing from earlier approach. So guys, today I'm going to show you 2-3 ways in which you can make your answers look different from the crowd. Guys, if you want to top the civil services mains examination, your answers should have that kind of edge which is not there in other answers. So let us see, guys. So first, what I have done is that since it is asking about how this is departing from earlier approach, my introduction is disaster management in India has evolved significantly. Okay, so I have said evolved. Okay, now I have given earlier approach and present approach. I have shown in table format. Earlier approach is reactive, present approach is proactive. Earlier approach is relief centric, present approach is disaster risk reduction oriented. Earlier approach is crisis centric, present approach is institutionalized. Earlier approach is top down, present approach is bottom up community centric. Earlier approach is ad hoc, and the present approach is legally backing. Then I have defined disaster management. I have said disaster management is like a cycle, and we have various steps: prevention, mitigation, capacity building, preparedness, response. Then what I have done is that I have drawn this disaster management cycle. Whenever you get a question on disaster management, always draw this cycle. It is called DM cycle. It has post-disaster and pre-disaster. In pre-disaster, we have prevention, preparedness, and mitigation. In post-disaster, we have response, relief, rehabilitation, and recovery. Then I have talked about the steps taken by Government of India for disaster management, new approach. First is the Disaster Management Act, which has institutionalized the disaster management framework. We have the NDMA, SDMA, DDMA. You see how I have drawn diagram. Next we have the NIDM. Next we have the NDRF and SDRF. Next we have the Disaster Management Policy 2009. Next we have the Disaster Management Plan. This is very important. Okay, so this is based on the Sendai framework. You can talk about the Sendai framework also. Next I have talked about the PM 10-point agenda on disaster risk reduction. Next is the Coalition for Disaster Resilience Infrastructure. Next is the 15th Finance Commission funds. Next is the NDMA guidelines on various disaster management. Like this, I have given the initiatives of Government of India, and in the end I have written the conclusion where I have said all these steps are in line with the Sendai framework, and if we want to achieve sustainable development, we have to integrate disaster risk reduction in the development process.